The AI media page displays AI-detected driving events captured by vehicle cameras. You can use the page to review and retrieve media, view event locations, and create driver coaching events. The AI media grid can be searched and filtered. It can also be configured using various quick filters. The data displayed in the grid can be adjusted using the columns icon. All the information in the AI media grid can be exported as a CSV file. Click the Map Action button to display the location of the selected event on the map. From the map, you can watch video for the event, or add the event to the driver coaching list. The driver coaching list is available from the Alerts page in the navigation bar. You can also watch video for the event directly from the AI media page by clicking the link in the grid. Similarly, you can create a coaching event directly from the AI media page by clicking the Coaching Event Action button. Use the Retrieve Media function to obtain additional media for an event of interest. Click the Retrieve Media Action button to open the Retrieve Media window. The relevant vehicle will already be selected from the Vehicle drop-down menu. Select the appropriate start date and start time for the media search. Note that the search window is limited to 8 hours. Click the Search button to request media based on the selected criteria. The Media Captured panel displays the available media within the selected date and time range. Each media entry in the results list displays a thumbnail and timestamp for the exact capture start time. Note that entries are 1 minute apart. Click on a media entry to select it. Choose a video length option and click Get Video to complete the request. The longest available video length option is 5 minutes. Repeat the process if you need footage that is longer than 5 minutes in total. The requested video will be uploaded to the system and available in the AI media page within approximately 10 minutes.